Hello everyone! Today I'm analyzing the ParcelX project and I must say that this project is very interesting. ParcelX is really something new among all startups. The main idea of this startup is to create an ecosystem where users will trust each other thanks to the blockchain technology. This startup will help the companies and businesses owners to reduce the cost of sending parcels, to obtain reliable and transparent information, as well as to increase business efficiency. A distinctive feature of this startup is that it has a developed market base in several Eastern countries, its own ownership in the ports of China, experience in working with global carriers and postal systems. ParcelX can significantly change the concept of modern businesses, and all thanks to the blockchain technology. What problems does the project solve? The project guarantees the quality of service. Now the participants should not be afraid for their parcels. They will be delivered to the addressee in the proper form. ParcelX saves time. Thanks to blockchain technology, you no longer need to monitor the allocation of your package, which means you can do other things. The project reduces costs. Together with the use of blockchain technology, fees for transfers become minimal, and other penalties for the provision of services are minimized. How does it work? First, developers want to create a new market under the name Blue Ocean. It will work in the same way as all the giants of international postal services. For example, you deliver the parcel to the post office, and then it's sent to the addressee. And right now you can ask, what is the difference between this project and modern mail services? The answer is simple. ParcelX was created for companies, so its main advantage is high-quality service and reduced maintenance costs. However, the developers thought about ordinary people, so for them they guarantee the best service, the best delivery terms of the package. ICO terms. It's planned to generate a total of 1 million GPX. That's a lot of tokens. ICO is held in 3 stages. Information taken from the official site. First private sale, until late May 2018. Second pre-ICO, until late July 2018. Third public token sale. 1st August, 31st of October 2018. Developers plan to allocate a token like this. 30% for developers, 30% for TGE. 50% for strategic partners, 15% for risk mitigation, 10% for the community. Information regarding the fate of tokens after ICO is missing. The idea of ParcelX is quite tempting and assuring. It's able to attract the attention of many potential participants and investors. In addition, the platform will attract not only people familiar with the blockchain, but also people who do not understand it at all. Developers have a working market base in several Eastern countries, its own ownership in the ports of China, and experience in working with global carriers and postal systems. The project is able to become the main service of parcel delivery, and given the fact that the project does not have very dangerous risks and has much experience in the delivery field, it can be safely given 12 out of 12.